Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix class not registered in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is we need to open our task manager. How we can do that? At the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with task manager. Once you have opened this window, just have to expand it first and proceed to processes. Okay, so here you need to look for Windows Explorer. It might be under the apps or under background processes or under the Windows processes. Just have to continue on scrolling down if you don't find the Windows Explorer here at the apps, or you can use this tool, a search bar, and then search for Windows Explorer. Once you've typed it, there it is, the result, which is the Windows Explorer itself. Do a right click and go with restart. So once you have restarted your Windows Explorer, restart your computer as well. And once you have relaunched your Windows again, check if your problem has been fixed. And let's if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step, which is we need to press Windows and R key together to open this run window. Here you need to type DCOM CNFG. Okay, click on OK. So the moment you click on that, the component services window would appear. Okay, here you need to proceed to component services. Okay, click this forward arrow and there you can see computers. Okay, here you need to click this forward arrow again and click on my computer and click this forward arrow again and you can see there DCOM config. Click on that and click on yes. Click on yes. Okay. Once all of this appear, close this window and then you need to restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed once you have relaunched it. Okay? Let's see if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step where at the bottom search bar, we need to search for CMD to open our command prompt. Okay, go with run as administrator. So when your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you'll be able to open this blank window. Okay, let me just close this other window so that I can focus in this first one. Okay, so here you need to paste a command which I'll be including at the description box below, so no worries for that. So this is a pretty long command, just copy and paste it here. Paste. Then you need to click and enter and then paste the second, okay, this, and click on enter again and just have to wait until the process would be done and don't turn off this command prompt window. Okay, once done, just have to close this window. If it's done, then restart your computer. Okay, and the moment you've relaunched your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, and let's if it doesn't, then let's bound to our last step where we'll be navigating the same process where here at the bottom search bar we need to type for CMD. Okay, once the best match would appear, go with run as administrator. Click on yes when the user account control will ask you to say yes. Okay, so here in this command prompt window again, you need to paste a command which is sfc space forward slash scan now. So just copy this in the description box below, paste it here, click enter. So this will do system scanning. Okay. Once the system scan is done, it will take some time, but it will be worth it since it will fix your problem. Once it is done, proceed by pasting this. Okay. Click on enter and finish the process and don't turn off or close the command prompt window. And once it's done, let's say if it's done, close this window and then restart your computer. And there you have that. You have just successfully fixed your problem. Okay. So those are the steps on how to fix class not registered If you think this video helps, if yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.